Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to show you the dried result. Look at that. Of course, this green and gold are both metallic, so the whole painting has these beautiful shimmery bits to it. But what a beautiful, beautiful painting. I am very, very happy with this, how it turned out. So this will be photographed today and put in my Etsy shop. So if you're looking to buy it, that's where you will find it. And then this one is also dry. It's also nice, but I don't like the brown. Brown is not my favorite color, so I am going to paint over this one today. So I'm just putting my gloves on and then we'll get started. You must just excuse the way I sound. I have flu. It's winter and my husband and I both have flu. And I've got the heat on in the background because it's freezing. Right, can you see it? Yeah. Right, so we're just going to start, and I'm going to put down a base of white, and I'm going to blow this out as it is, and then I'll put color. Hold on. Let's blow this just to cover the canvas. Okay, that's good enough. Right, so now let's put some color. So I've got 3 neon or bright colors here, and I've put silicone into the orange, only into the orange. Okay, a little bit of silicone in there and none in the other colors. Right, so that one again. Right, and last one. Okay. And now I'm going to hit that with a heat gun. And that, of course, has brought up some more cells. Okay, very, very cool. So just go around and cover your edges with paint. You can just pick paint up off the table or under your canvas. If you just run your finger under the canvas, there's always a lot of paint under there. And you just dab it on. You run your finger under it. You see, lots of paint. Okay. That is covered. Wow! That is really, really cool. So, I'm going to take my gloves off. And I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. Look how bright it is. Let me put my flash on. Really bright and colorful, isn't it? Pretty cells, pretty patterns and designs. Wispy lines. Look at that. That's very pretty. Look at that. Very, very cool. And you can see there that the turquoise color that I put on is metallic. So there's quite a bit of that everywhere. So when it's dry, that metallic is going to be nice and shimmery. You can see it's pretty much everywhere. A little bit of that turquoise. Look at that. Can you see that? That's all metallic. So everyone, thank you very much for joining me today as I created this really very bright and colorful painting. It is a lot brighter and prettier than the brown. Definitely don't like brown. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please follow along. We are going to be creating some really, really beautiful paintings, and I'd love for you to join as we do so. Also remember that I do have a Facebook group. I've put the description or the link or whatever to the Facebook group down in the description below. I would love to see pictures of your own art. So please join the Facebook group, share your art, ask questions, give advice, anything, you know, open to all. And that's it, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.